Miss Wilson asserts that Mr. Phillips has consistently exhibited unfaithfulness, suggesting that his lingering affections for his ex-wife exacerbates the existing challenges within their relationship. Conversely, Mr. Phillips counterclaims that Miss Wilson is engaged in an extramarital affair with a coworker, which instills in him profound doubts regarding his paternity of their daughter Hope. Both individuals candidly recognize that their relationship initially formed on a purely sexual basis, a factor that has undeniably fueled persistent trust issues and accusations throughout their partnership. The act of cohabitation typically signifies a commitment. However, the crucial element of trust must always be established to ensure that the relationship flourishes. A solid foundation of trust remains indispensable for both partners involved. Moreover, previous romantic entanglements can result in emotional baggage that complicates the potential for new commitments. Addressing unresolved issues from past relationships becomes necessary to nurture a healthy bond moving forward. Encounters with reminders of a partner's former relationships can substantially undermine trust and security in a new romantic engagement. Thus, maintaining open communication regarding past attachments is vital in preventing potential misunderstandings. Mr. Garcia asserts that his relationship with Miss Wilson was limited to mere kissing, consequently raising questions about his possible paternity. This assertion undoubtedly adds layers of complexity to the ongoing paternity case. The palpable emotional tension between the involved parties becomes apparent as Mr. Phillips expresses a sense of relief at the possibility of affirming his role as the child's father, underscoring the psychological ramifications associated with paternity uncertainties. Miss Reed articulates the significant strain that paternity doubts have imposed on her relationship with Mr. Silva. Their continuous disputes illuminate the necessity for clarity concerning paternity to secure their future together. This discourse also reveals the prevailing notion that men often feel entitled to infidelity while simultaneously expecting unwavering fidelity from women. Such perceptions underscore a profound gender bias embedded in societal attitudes towards relationships. At the heart of this issue lies the complex dynamic of trust. One partner's infidelity invariably breeds suspicion and doubt. This ongoing cycle of distrust complicates effective communication and mutual understanding within the relationship. Furthermore, the discussion extends to the influence of external relationships and social media on trust dynamics. These factors frequently exacerbate insecurities and lead to greater complications within romantic bonds. Mr. Silva's uncertainty surrounding his fatherhood status profoundly influences his emotional connection with Legend, despite his honest desire to remain engaged. This internal conflict generates additional tension in his relationship with Miss Reeves. The situation escalates as revelations of Miss Reeves' past relationship surface, prompting Mr. Silva to reevaluate his role as a father. This development invariably leads to critical discussions surrounding trust and fidelity. Both parents convey a shared desire for clarity concerning paternity to establish a stable family environment. They aspire to resolve existing doubts, thereby fortifying their relationship as they progress. The emotional journey leading up to the DNA results poignantly underscores the uncertainty both parents experience regarding their partnership and parenting roles. Emphasizing the importance of recognizing biological relationships, the discourse highlights how these connections shape parenting responsibilities and the emotional bonds between parents and their children. Finally, the necessity of effective communication and positive behavioral changes emerges as pivotal, directly influencing the well-being of both the mother and the child involved.